In today's video, I am going to teach you how to know if receiver read email Microsoft Outlook. We'll walk through how to request read receipts for a single message, how to set broader preferences, and how to verify whether a receipt came back in both the newer Outlook experience and the classic desktop app. If you are composing a new email in the modern Outlook interface, start in the Message Compose window. Click the Options tab on the ribbon. Look for the Receipts section and turn on Request Receipts. Then choose Request a Read Receipt. This adds a read receipt request to that one email so you can see if it's opened. While you are here, it helps to understand your overall receipt preferences. Click the gear icon for settings. Choose Mail, then Message Handling. Under Read Receipts, decide how Outlook should respond when other people request receipts from you. Always send, never send, or ask each time. This doesn't change your outgoing request by default in the new interface, but it keeps your mailbox behavior consistent so you are not surprised by prompts. After you send your message, verification is straightforward. If the recipient opens your email and their system allows it, Outlook will send you a notification back to your inbox indicating a read receipt. Keep in mind, recipients and organizations can block or decline receipts, and many mobile apps ignore them. So a missing receipt doesn't always mean your message wasn't read. To double-check, go to your Sent Items folder and open the message you sent. On the Message tab, select Tracking. If a read receipt has been received, you'll see the status there. If you don't see the tracking button yet, it may appear later. Once a receipt arrives. Now, if you are using Classic Outlook on the desktop and want to read receipt for just one message, open a new email and go to the Options tab. In the Tracking group, check Request a Read Receipt. If you'd like confirmation that the message reached the recipient's mail server, you can also select Request a Delivery Receipt. Remember, delivery receipts don't prove the email was opened, only that it was accepted by their server. To request read receipts for every message you send in Classic Outlook, click File, then Options, then Mail. Scroll to the Tracking section. Under For All Messages Sent, Request, check Read Receipt confirming the recipient viewed the message. This sets a consistent default so you don't have to turn it on each time. That's it for today's walkthrough. If this helped, thanks for watching.